Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amalia Agustin. I want to tell about diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus, or simply diabetes, is a chronic disease characterized by high level of sugar or glucose in the blood. This condition is also often referred to as diabetes or diabetes. Sugar in the blood shall be absorbed the body's cells and converted into energy. Insulin is a hormone whose job is to help absorb glucose in the body's cells to be processed into energy, while storing some the glucose and energy reserve. If there is a disturbance in insulin, a person is a high risk of developing diabetes. Diabetes can be caused by several conditions such as lack of insulin production by the pancreas, impaired body response to insulin, the influence of other hormones that inhibit insulin performance. Types of diabetes mellitus based on their condition that cause it explained in the introduction of diabetes mellitus study. There are several types of diabetes that are commonly experienced, namely type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disorder that causes damage to the cells that produce the hormone insulin in the pancreas. As a result, the body lacks insulin. Lack of insulin production can increase blood glucose levels. Usually, the symptoms of diabetes are more often detected at a younger age, especially in the childhood or adolescence. Type 2 diabetes mellitus. Type 2 diabetes in the most common type of diabetes. The condition is more common in adults, especially those over the age of 30. The condition usually occurs due to weakened ability to produce insulin or a weakened ability of the body to respond to insulin. Type 2 diabetes generally occurs due to lifestyle problems. Gestational diabetes. Gestational diabetes, diabetes that only occurs in pregnant women. This condition can cause problems for both mother and baby if left undertreated. If treated quickly and properly, diabetes usually completely completely cured after delivery. Sick and symptoms. What are the signs, symptoms, or diabetes mellitus? Diabetes often doesn't show any symptoms first. Many people are not aware that they have long-had diabetes mellitus because there are no disturbing symptoms. However, the symptoms of type 1 diabetes usually appear more quickly than those of type 2, which then to get worse slowly. Here are some typical signs and symptoms of diabetes mellitus that you need to know. Often they are thirsty or hungry, frequent urination, sometimes every hour, or polyuria, weak leather and powerless. Frequent infections such as skin, vaginal, thrush, or urinary tract infections. Diabetic wounds are difficult to heal blood vision. Itching of the skin, especially in the groin or vaginal area. Sudden weight loss, other symptoms of diabetes, then you should be aware of are nausea or vomiting, dry mouth, gums are often swollen and sore, feet often hard, tingling and numb, black spot and scars on the skin, sexual dysfunction such as erectile dysfunction. Okay, maybe just it for me. And the last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.